Hi, I'm Vera from Cognism, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the Cognism platform to power up your marketing engine and generate a pipeline of high-quality leads within your ICP that your sales team actually wants to talk to. As a marketer, your most important task is to drive demand for your products and services, but that can be quite difficult if you're focusing most of your time and energy on generating MQLs. At Cognism, we allow you to generate highly qualified audiences on demand and then create audiences for your email and advertising campaigns. So that way we allow you to get off that MPL hamster wheel and focus more of your time and energy and creativity on coming up with different experiments and different campaigns and testing them to see what works for you. And ultimately, we ensure that you get in front of the right people at the right time with the right message. Okay, so let me quickly show you how that looks and works in practice. What you see on the screen is a Cognism web app, and this is where you actually go in to build your audiences. On the left-hand side, you can see there are contact and company level filters that you can use to slice and dice the data in our database and find the exact decision makers in the companies you want to target. Those companies can be either named accounts, or you can use our company level filters to find accounts that match your criteria. So for example, if you have a list of key accounts that you need to target, you can upload a CSV of domains, or if you don't actually go after particular accounts, but you need to target a particular size of companies that work and operate in a certain region and so on, you can use those filters to make sure that you find the right companies and the right people within them. Okay, so I'm just loading a saved search, and you can see that I'm looking for senior leaders, middle management, and team leads in marketing and sales departments that have a verified email and that have recently joined their job, so in the past 3 months. One thing that's missing here is the company size. So for example, I'm going to target companies that have more than 50 employees, so I want to exclude any smaller. And I'm left with 13,000 contacts that match this criteria. So from here, what I can do is simply select all of them and then save them to a list of my choice. So I'll just do a job join list 1, and I'll click save. If I now go to list, I'll see the list is processing, and it will take a couple of minutes to process. But then I can show you, while that's processing, a different list that I have previously created using similar search criteria. So I have 13,000 contacts here, and basically from here, what I can do is select again all of them and redeem them and export them as a CSV. Now, what would I do with this CSV and this data? So I would use it 2 ways. First of all, I can use it on LinkedIn. So if you go in your LinkedIn campaign manager in your audiences, you'll find a tab to create custom audiences. So here you'll be able to upload a list, and if you click on company or contact list, you'll be able to upload this list here. And you can see we already have a lot of audiences that we've previously created ourselves. So we use Cognism data ourselves. And you can see we have 90 plus match rates. So all the data that Cognism gives you, LinkedIn is able to match the exact user on LinkedIn and serve them, that exact person, serve them your ads. Another thing you can do is you can create an email campaign. So you can see here that we have a job join email campaign. We have an automation set up, and this is one of the emails that we have, where basically we're just making sure that we are giving these people that have recently joined a job as a sales leader in our key accounts the relevant resources that they might find helpful at that point in time. So basically, this allows you to be really relevant with your outreach. We have a lot of filters that you can play with and slice and dice the data any way you want. So we have technologies, for example, where you can choose to target maybe users of your competitors, or maybe someone that's using a technology that you integrate with. So really a lot of different ways you can use the Cognism data to reach your marketing goals.